Desert forests. Hot zone desert forests. Tropical deserts or hot zone desert forests are located on the western areas of the continents. The vegetation cover is very less here because of little rainfall and high temperature. The vegetation found is popularly known as thorny bushes. In India, these hot and dry deserts are found in the northwestern part of the country and they extend into Pakistan. Salient features. In these areas, heat is oppressive and rainfall is scanty. Mostly shrubs grow in patches. The plants consist of long roots, thick stem, thorns and wax-coated leaves. Loss of moisture is prevented by these features. The important plants are cactus, thorny bushes, date palms and coarse grasses. On the margins of the desert, some acacia trees are also found. Wildlife. In desert, sturdy animals are found. These animals can withstand dry climate. Camel is the most important animal among them. It is also called the ship of the desert. The other important animals are jackals, foxes, hedgehogs, hyenas and wild asses. Cold zone desert forests. Polar region. Tundra vegetation or cold zone desert forest is found around the North Pole, North America and Eurasia. The growth of natural vegetation is very limited here. Only mosses, lichens and very small shrubs are found here which grow during very short summer. Salient features. This region is also called the cold polar desert because of its long severe winters and complete ice cover prohibiting plant growth. Some small flowering plants, mosses and lichens grow during these short summers. The animals have thick fur and skin to adapt to these severely cold conditions. It is a vast treeless region. Wildlife. During the winter season, most of the animals migrate to warm areas in search of food. Animals which have thick fur and layers of fat are found here. The layer of fat helps them in conserving body heat and makes them fit to survive in the bitter cold. The important animals are polar dogs, lemmings and hares, polar bear, reindeer, foxes and musk ox. Movements for environment conservation. Khejarli Andolan. Khejarli is a village in the Jodhpur district of Rajasthan, India, 26 kilometers southeast of the city of Jodhpur. The name of the village is derived from khejri trees which were in abundance in the village. In 1730, in this village, 363 Bishnois led by Amrita Devi sacrificed their lives while protecting green khejri trees considered sacred by the community by hugging them. This incident is the first event of Chipko movement in the recorded history. The ruler of the state apologized for the mistake committed and banned the cutting of green trees and hunting of animals within the boundaries of Bishnoi villages. In the remembrance of the sacrifice of the Bishnois, a deer park has been established here. On the 10th day of Shukla Paksh of Bhadrapad month, a tree fair is organized every year. It is the only fair for trees in the world. Chipko Andolan. Have you heard about the Chipko Andolan or Chipko movement? The word Chipko means to hug or embrace. In the 1970s, a group of women in Uttarakhand started this movement. They prevented cutting down of trees by hugging them. This movement started from rainy village of Uttarakhand and spread all over Garhwal region. The women folk of this region came together to revolt against the ruthless cutting down of trees. Sundarlal Bahuguna headed this movement and the hard work of the people ultimately bore fruit when the government passed laws to stop deforestation. Epiko Andolan. The Epiko Andolan began in Karnataka in September 1983 in Sirsi district. The word Epiko means to fill in arms. The trees were cut in this district in the Salkani forest region. The people in that area embraced the trees and prevented them from being cut. They continued this for many weeks to protect the trees from being cut. Deforestation. Reasons and outcomes. The removal of forests by cutting trees is known as deforestation. Deforestation has disturbed the balance of the nature and has caused an environmental crisis. The reasons for deforestation are for commercial purpose, for domestic fuel, to create agricultural land, overgrazing, acid rain, forest fire, flood and other natural disasters, mining, industrialization. Results of deforestation. The uncontrolled cutting of trees has led to global warming, increasing carbon dioxide and other poisonous gases in the atmosphere. Thus, deforestation has led to imbalance in biodiversity, reduction in habitat of wild animals, increase in the frequency of drought, flood, land degradation and extended desert, change in climate, increase in greenhouse gases leading to global warming, increase in number of landslides. No more. Read the Red Data Book of International Union for Conservation of Nature, IUCN, to know the list of endangered and extinct species of the world. Conservation of forests. Forests are our natural wealth. Human beings have destroyed the natural vegetation for their greed. Due to the continuous increase in population, large number of trees are being cut down for industries, agriculture, and residential purposes. The diminishing forests are a matter of concern. These forests must be saved for our future generations. Some important ways of conserving forests are as follows. Protection of forest reserves. Afforestation. Large-scale plantation of trees to increase the area under forests. Protection of forests from forest fires. Discouraging the practice of shifting cultivation. Encouraging social forestry. Encouraging school children to participate in awareness programs like One Mahotsav at school, state and national level. In recent times, wildlife and natural vegetation have been badly affected by various human activities such as deforestation, farming and mining. Wild animals are being hunted for profit and pleasure, and innumerable trees are cut down to satisfy human needs. Deer are killed for skin, birds for meat and feather, and elephants for ivory. As a result, many wild animals became extinct, and those which are left are on the verge of extinction. However, nowadays people have started taking actions in order to preserve forest and wildlife. Afforestation is the need of the hour.